Hi guys, hello everyone, and welcome back. Amahloni ayengiyenzani. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I don't even remember what hana vlog was wrong, but welcome back to my channel. This is a new vlog. I can tell you after how long of not posting, and the funniest thing is that the content is there. The content is there, but the content is not edited. Yo guys, the mess that is behind me, I'm even trying to hide it. Yeah, so the content is there, the content has been there, but it's not edited. Piles and piles of footage are sitting there waiting to be edited and has not been edited as yet, but it's fine. Di-vlog tseo re tla di bona ka tsatsi le leng, and ha nka nne ka re ke emetse gore ke poste di-vlog tseo, nka se poste because it's a whole lot of footage. Okay, but yeah, there's a mess behind me, guys. We had our Christmas Eve party, my family and I, my husband and my children. My husband and my children. And guys, I'm filming from a whole new location altogether because we have moved. We have moved, guys. So it's been a couple of weeks. I think this is our third week here, second or third week, yeah, somewhere there. But we have moved to a new location. So this is our home, like a home where, so this is a home where my husband and my children, myself, my husband and my children live. I think I've mentioned this before, that we don't live in the same house. I had my own place, and Elibona na badula separately, but this is our home. This is our own little sanctuary. So we had a party here, Christmas Eve party, and Labon, I just passed out to my wine. Oh, and that's my gift, one of my gifts. That over there also is one of my gifts. But yeah, I passed out my bani clean, but late cup my one, and I had to wake up 3:30 to undo my hair so that get so the lady otlong luang I need to collect her more shopping center ya rona. And then yeah, get lower fast. So the lady that I'm using came from Room Mobile Hair Salon, something like that. Yeah, so get sabona, and then I'll talk to you guys more later. So we are preparing because Maya, we are going to my husband's grandparents' house. That is where we are going to spend our Christmas. So get first because Mluwako no so sinyele. So I'm still transitioning back from the pink, guys, to my black hair. And yeah, it hasn't been easy. So I'm going to try and get that fixed. So I'll talk to you guys more later. Mwah. We've got a couple days. I probably will have to. Hi guys, this is day 2 of this vlog. Remember I said I'm going to do my hair, and I thought I was going to do that with you guys, but yo, things happen, guys. Things happen. I think there is a snippet, a very small snippet of me busy with my hair, and I'm happy, guys. I did mention that I got my hair done through the agency or the mobile salon called Room Mobile Agency. They are on Instagram, they are on Facebook. They're very convenient. Baufa price A1, include a call out fee, wash and blow, and getting your hair done, and all of this happens in the comfort of your own home. That's one thing that got me, because I am in no way, shape, or form Yaya Saloon, guys. This has been a very hectic time for me. I've been working throughout December. I get it 24 today. It's Christmas Eve, and the last time Kilim Sibiting was on Sunday, which was the 22nd. So I've been working throughout December, and the exhaustion got me. Like, it got me bad. So I am in no way, shape, or form to do things that don't inconveniencing at the moment. So that is why getting my hair done at home was such a convenience. We had our Christmas Eve party as a family on Sunday, and I'll just play a b-roll of it here somewhere. And today we are leaving. We are going to my husband's grandparents' house in Heidelberg, Koratanda. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. We are leaving now, actually, I think in an hour or so, because the kids are not here. They are at my mother-in-law's house. They're with their grandmother, and we need to go and collect them. And yeah, I got my nails done yesterday. The devil wears Prada. So it's nothing fancy, just red stilettos. If you know me, you know that I die on the heel, yeah, red nails. And then I couldn't find Nagoya Hore to do my lashes, so I did my lashes at home. These are individual lashes. I did them myself, and yeah, so I just did my hair yesterday, my nails, and then before I just got my lashes done. So that's the tea, guys. So I wanted to unbox my gifts with you. Obviously I've already unboxed them, but I just wanted to so that kettle there at the back, there was a whole unboxing thing, but it's part of footage still. But kenale 2 months, 2 or 3 months. Kaso how many months ago? 2 or 3? Yeah? Okay, so it's probably like 3 months kina Leona. And the reason why I got that whistling kettle, like that stove top kettle, kohore, I didn't have like a countertop like here, so nekisna space. So di ketlele ka nisna space tsa hore e dule ka reka, and then mo no na le plaka teng ne le pela stove, so nekna no beya pela hoduma stove hore ke bidis. And then one day Kumo a lighter stove wa bona sa le ngwana na le hai ne se ngwana santsa le moholo ntsho wa ba tseba di toddler. A lighter stove or na wa dlala a lighter stove hantse ketlele mo yacha, the first one. The second one le nna ka e beya ka mistake ke se aware hore stove se on yacha leona. And then ka gatsa keng I never ka ketlele, since ke ntse ke dula mo ke tla reka ketlele mhlang ke movang. So I'm sure ke dutse bo mam 5-6 months ke sna ketlele. So here ke le motho wa tee hakalo ke gala every now and then, but I ke motho wa tee, and in me not having a kettle nkentse vele ke ska inwa hangata tee. But ka bona ke bone ka ketlele ke bone ka I think one of my clients is smart. The way the way right? I'm going to get this one. And then ning happy haki ko client yaka ka bona ya le crusade. And it makes sense for me to get this stove kettle because of la ka circulate list of at least a sage. So I got myself this one. And then ning ka man ke batla toaster, but obviously nka se ke toaster ntse ke dula mo because it lo dula kae. So it's a hare tola this place. Ka oh okay, at least there's countertop unyana, and then so I'll get a toaster. Mara ke ra toaster e ke bona intle ha etsa maleketlela ya yona. Mna ka ara jole ketlele engu o tla bo isa kae dilitu ke no e re tla ibeya on gas burner ke se ha isa le mara hantle ke batla le ya gas. And that's how I ended up with those two kettles, and then they just became my Christmas gifts because I'll get them at Christmas, and then yeah, that's how they became my Christmas gifts. So ke batla hore ke di check if di tlo kgona hore di dule mo di felle on this little space right here. So ke thapo ya microwave so I ke tsebe itlo etsa jwang, I ke tsebe re tlo sebetsa jwang because yona re plaka mo, but I ke rate hore e dule e plakile because of the way wa bona e bang ka teng mo, so ke bona nka re tlo senye. So that's why I just like to unplug it every now and again. Let me show you guys properly. Yeah, so that's why ke rata we unplug, but ish le ha idutse solid thing ya mbora shem akbatlo mak. So set ke batla ho ibeya, I want to put it here. So I just want to see if it'll lekanelana because this space lo ne bonahala se le senyane. Maybe ke tla shift setsa ntotse come. But let's do it. Let's see. Guys, today is a bit gloomy. Today, so I just want to quickly wear my sweater. Because wow, what in the December is this? So let's start with the toaster, guys. I just put this thing back, but I've already unboxed it. Not once, not twice. I've already unboxed it. It came with this on top, the instruction manual thing. So yeah, it came with these, and it was protected by so the plastic in. So this is the baby. Yeah man. Yeah, this is how the baby looks. So guys, the walls were green. So the green walls. So it will be different shades of green, like my headboard, my kist, my air fryer, my pots. That's why green nje e seng ke ka mohlohong. So it's that baby over here. And then Leona, it came protected by this. So it was yeah. Did you deflect the thing? And then it's like gonna again so yes. Chimeke. Ichimeke. Yo, ntoi. I get to be like a Jean. Or keep like a get the camo and then toast them. Maybe at like plug only when we use it. We honestly really don't need to plug it in. I don't know, but this thing really, really annoys me. Let me tilt it up like that. This thing really annoys me, guys. It really, really annoys me. I want to this microwave, this cord ear microwave. But yeah, this is like basically it. Please let me know in the comment section if you have a suggestion on how I should sort this whole situation out. I'm happy. I'd really, really, really love to hear from you. If honestly, I get to please let me know if you've had a similar situation on how you would sort this out. Just help a girl out. Okay. All right, guys. Hi guys, quick update. We are heading out. We are leaving. The time is now 11 o'clock. We were meant to leave here at 10:30, but we are extremely late. Considering the fact that we still need to get the kids, we are running quite late. That's my man right there. Yeah. So I'll see you guys either when we get there. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys when we get there.